All right, let's get started today. So stick around towards the end of the video or skip towards the end of the video where I review all my trades, but this is live. Let's see, let's get started. We have this stock here that is looking pretty good. It's within our gap. High of this is going to be 54. I'll take it right here, top of the gap, 59. A little high, but I think we can get a nice little bounce here. Might be in a little too high, honestly. Let's see. I might have rushed that one. I'm hoping to see a bounce here on VWAP. 59, there it is. Let's see if this can get over 60. 62, there it is. Start winding this thing down because I got a high fill there. I need this now. I'm gonna take this off. Got a high fill. It was better to wait a little longer, but it seemed that it was going to reclaim right away. So we'll take that. We'll look for a better trade. The volume is low, right? Actually 1 million, but it's jumpy. Going up a few cents at a time. Let's see what it wants to do. Not a great trade. Still respecting my gap. But not a great trade, you know. The resolution that I wanted was not great. The price action was it's not the best. So I recognized it right away and I kind of just took it off. So this one jumped into this gap. I wonder if this is actually going to hold. So 39 here. Nah, it looks like it's failing. So we'll be patient. There isn't much to work with today. Much to it. If this continues to hold, it might actually be a good trade. So target's gonna be the highs. I mean, target actually 69 bucks. Sorry, 69 cents. All right, we'll be patient. It's kind of crappy moves. All right, here we go. We got EELO stop 1530. Oh man, it's kind of a big stock here. Oh, it gave a dip. Gave a dip. I want to buy it on the bid. Below that was 40. JZXN. Volume on this 100,000 shares. I'm looking for this. I'm looking for the ask to drop maybe a little closer to 1530. Below that was 1540. 1565. I saw 1565. Like this for a gap and go. 1550. Ooh, 55 was good. Are you gonna try it again? ATXG. Ooh, okay, almost bought that. Okay, good. So staying patient there, seeing how well that's gonna resolve. I almost bought it 1540, 1560, I think. Almost got in. But yeah, it looks like it's baiting a lot of people. ATXG. All right, we'll stay patient. Can we get a little dip in here? I'll go small size because I don't know if it's going to work, honestly. Because we're coming off the lows, it's under VWAP. Also got a massive red candle here. No, wait, I'll wait for a better setup, honestly. Might wait for a better setup. We'll wait for a better setup. But it's holding well. Yeah, it's breaking. Nice bounce. Nice bounce. Okay, cool. So turned out to be good. Turned out to be decent. Another VWAP. We've seen a lot of things fail, so I'm being more careful today, at least this morning, until something actually starts to prove itself. Also, this volume, it's slower. You never know, it could be just a good bounce. Stay patient. ABP over 72 for a gap. That would be a better trade. Nope, no gap. What's this, 84? Minute looks like we may see some resistance right away here. That's resistance, and then resistance right here. So I think we could do it. So there could be a gap right here. There it is, 75. You gotta hold 75 here. 77. 77 by 78. Looks like you might want to dip. Let's do it. 77.5, 80. Nice. Taking some out right there. Push, 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 push. Nice, taking the rest break even at 77. See how well we can get a push. We're in this red cap. Oh, break even right there. Okay. Decent little trade. Decent little trade. It bounced again. Ooh, nice. Okay. Came as low 76. Had a break even stop. Where did I keep going? Okay, new gap right here. Let's see. Can you hold 80? 80 here. It's getting better. Gap and go here. Trying 84 one more time. Trying 84. Again, can you hold? JZXN. Yeah. They tried 84 like 3 times. Ooh, careful there. Yeah.
ATXG. SUA.
Dang. Oh, well, it respects that red 5-minute gap for sure.
AZ.
Yeah. Two small little trades. Nothing crazy yet. You want to take more size. You know, we want to risk the $38 that we have today so far. We want to risk that and see if we can capture a really awesome trade with a nice gap, nice dip into the gap, and awesome resolution. You got more time, still the first 30 minutes. Anyway, we'll stay patient here. All right, PHIO could be forming something here. So 30 is that. We can see if I can get a dip right here on this gap and go. Let's see, new candle. New candle. Dip. Give me a dip. It might not dip actually. This may keep going. Yeah, it's gonna keep going. Good, 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 good. Okay. Now we're gonna form a really great gap here that we can go into.
CORD. HBT. Gaming resin 10 seconds. CCHH.
I'll take more size here. This could be a really great trade. So 15 seconds. This next candle could go into the gap.
PHIO.
34 to 30. Come on, that would be awesome. Next candle. Go into the gap. All right, it's not gonna do it. It seems like. So 35. 35. 35. Let's take a gap and go here. Shoot, it's just gonna keep going. It's not gonna dip.
JZXN. NKTR. Relocate.
35 is below the gap. Shoot. It's gonna form another gap at this low, 38 to 35, then 34 to 30. Dip. Could try this a couple of times here, 38, 37. 37, 37, 36. Fine, 36 is good. Otherwise, I'll stop out 35. Nice. Back over 40, let's go.
JZXN.
For a good resolution. Okay, it's coming down more. 34 now. Give me 34 actually. Okay, cool. Dang it, getting stopped out there. Thinking it's gonna come lower. Ah, dang it. I should have never stopped out. That was really great. I'm trying to be too perfect here. I just got to do it. Beautiful dip into that gap, right? And it worked.
SUNE. LRTX.
34 to 40, 34, yeah, 35 to 44, almost 10 cents there.
JZXN RDT.
Dang it, dang it, dang it. I was thinking it's gonna come a little lower. All right, let's see what we can do again.
RDT. LITX. POAS. DDOG. RDTL. JZXN. AOI. RDDT. POAS. WULL. RDTL. NKTR. FROG.
It's inside here again. Maybe we can tap 34 here. Looks like it wants to come lower. There it is, 33 by 32. Stop is gonna be 30.
NKTR. WULL.
Shoot, bro. A lot of selling there, but we're jumping here. This will be sweet if you get back up. All right. Stop is gonna be 30.
ASPI. WULL. WULL. SMS. SUA.
33 is holding well. Nice. Okay.
FGL magazine.
Good, good, good.
ASPI.
Now we're gonna get this 37. 38. Beautiful.
STI. SUA.
Nice, taking some out. Okay, cool. I was like, did I? So yeah, it's sold in pieces. Somebody want to come retest my entry? Maybe not. We'll go to 40. Give me 40.
Okay, rest in 10 seconds.
Nice, come on, let's go.
MNDY.
Let's go. Yeah, having a lot of resistance at 40. We'll take some more out. Oh man, I took 400. Oh shoot, I already kind of took too much out, I think. Well, that's okay, because I'm risking 3 cents. And out at 39, 38, 39, that's 6 cents. So that's sort of a 2 to 1. Now I have to rest a little higher. There you go.
HET.
High is going to be 44. There it is. So I'll take a double top right there. Exit at 43. Trying to get out 43, I think. With a working order somewhere in there.
MNDY. FGL halted to FIG. SUNE. JZXN may res in 10 seconds.
It's forming a nice gap. Think about it. 38.
JZXN. DDOG. FIG.
JZXN.
Dip at 38. Yeah, let's do it.
DDOG.
I didn't know this dip at 38. Stop's going to be break even at 36.
$10.
Come on. Love this gap. Love this little gap here. No. Hold. Hold.
DDOG.
Hold. Now go. Good, 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 good. Give me 44. Nice. 43. Give me 44. 45. Sellers. Selling onto this. Selling right at the top. 400 shares. Not good. 45 again. Can we push? Excellent trade. Good stuff. Great stuff.
LBY.
See how well this next candle wants to hold.
CCHH.
SIFR. CCHH.
Nothing. Push. Push here. Below this gap is going to be, the high of this is 41. So gotta hold 41, man. Top break even 38.
CCHH.
There you go.
CORD.
UOKF.
FIG.
Come on.
CCHH.
HPT. A news in less than a minute. CCHH.
Check it out. It's gonna retest 38 again, it seems like. It may bounce again.
SP.
But nice trade right there. Good add. Great exits.
EHB.
JZXN.
Time for more size, right?
CCHH.
Time for more size.
FIG.
Managed it well.
FG now may resume in less than a minute. ORCX.
So now it's coming down.
DBG.
33.
HBT.
33 is this low. But the gap starts at 34. Let's see what it wants to do, right? See what it wants to do. So good trade right there. JCXN.
GRRR.
Is that another one?
SPOT.
Okay.
NAMS.
The flow. Nice.
JZXN.
JCXN.
GRRR. LKRS.
JZXN, this is high, 255. It's within this huge gap, but there's a red gap. Yeah, weird gap situation here. It's a weird gap situation. Is it gonna go? It's gonna sell off.
JZXN.
Okay. Good. JZXN. News?
NUU.
No, no news.
MMRA.
Gap and go at 35.
RTDT.
JZXN.
TO.
Now coming down.
TCHH.
NUU. MMRA. TOI. PT. NULL.
CCHH.
MMRA.
Nice. We could get in for another try at $2 if it's going to hold 2.
ASMN.
This could be sweet.
AUST. CCHH.
This could be sweet.
SUNE. PLBY.
Nope.
UCTT.
Oh no, now we seem to be going.
JZXN.
KT.
Alright, this is 30. Oh, disrespect to 30.
FG may res in 10 seconds.
Okay, high, this is 34. JCXN looks interesting.
LBY.
Looks like it can make another move
TOI.
with a potential 278 target. Yep. 278 target. Not bad. PHIO sadly coming down even more. Yeah, maybe it was not a nice dip into this gap, but I don't know. We had to see it here, right? This is the spot right here.
JZXN.
10 in the 10. Go, like push 50, 60, 50 at least. Then you form like a dip and then bang, next move. But here, struggling. Anyway. Okay, we got a gap right here. 38. Can you hold 38? 40. Next candle, hold 38.
JZXN.
Break gap and go. 50.
RTDT.
PHIO.
Buyers at 50. Low 40s. Low 40s. Buyers are drying up. I buy this 38. Low 40s. 50s are holding so strong. I'll get in right there. 48. Oh, I don't like that. Don't like that at all. 44. I'll try one more time. 46, 44.
JZXN.
Jesus. Yeah. Ah, that's kind of a silly trade. It is going to hold, aren't you? Ah, man. Just throwing away 10 cents right there. Ah, it's moving a little bit weirder. So they didn't quite trust it. Ah, man, what did I try? 48 at 45, 46 to 39. Man, lost half my day right there, but that's okay. We can make this work. We can make this work. Gotta be patient on the dip. Looks like it's going to hold on the dip and then it goes lower.
GTN.
Yeah.
IRZ.
Anyway, that was
LBY.
what my mistake. My mistake.
LS.
JZXN.
Oh my goodness. $57.
SMS.
Hit our target of 78. So I just gotta relax, man. Relax. Relax. Didn't even hit my stop.
JZXN.
Relax. So here we go. We're gonna form a gap of 57. Let's see how well this is gonna hold.
SMS.
I'll take that.
LBY.
63.5. All right, whatever. We're gonna take a 57.
JZXN.
Looking for hold 60. One more push. One more push. One more push. One more push. One more push.
SMS.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this out. It's not working. It should have gone already. Retested 57. Below the gap, 56. Yeah. Shoot. We're forming a 5-minute gap right there, 48. 5-minute gap and go at 48. This could be sweet, huh? That could be a good entry at 50. Oh, that could be a good entry. I had to be quick on that. 48 was a great stop. 50. 5-minute gap and go. Dang it. Just off. I'm off on this one.
NMRN. NMU.
So looking for this to maybe try hold 50 one more time.
GTO. WLS.
I don't know. I don't know. We'll stay patient here.
SMS.
SIFR.
SMS.
WULS.
Dip into the original gap, which is 48.
SIFR.
No, 40. All right, we'll stay patient. This thing, I think it's over. All right, PHIO. Oops. What are we doing? 34 here. Let's take a little more size PHIO on this gap and go. See how well we can do this.
RPID.
PHIO.
So gap and go. It's also hitting this red gap, so may reject. In this red gap, what do we got here? All right. Looks like we can go. Looks like we can go through it. It's going to be this if we go through 39, 40. Okay.
PHIO. UK.
Nice. Okay, looking for this gap to hold 40, 39 rather. Yeah, let's do it. Nice. Holding 40. Stop's gonna be 39.
SUA.
Risking 20 bucks. The resolution, this can be good. If you hold 40. Hold 40.
SUNU.
Ah, it's gonna test 39, aren't you? You're gonna want to test 39. Looking for this to go much quicker.
STR.
Come on. Here we go, green.
SUA.
Gotta be realistic. It's a pretty thick stock. There you go. I'll take you out 44. Good. Nice. Took it out 44, so that's good. Maybe took too much out 44. Maybe I could have taken half. Looking for the next trade here. Another gap. 42 be in that gap. So that was kind of a 2-to-1. So I'm risking 1 cent. And I'm making 3 cents. And this thing is about to open up. Are you about to open up? Let me see. It's a little more volatile now. We still hold 42. It kind of wants to dip now. Yeah. Wanted to get in 43. So Just 1,000 shares here. If it wants to open up, it'll open up. 44, 45. Oh my goodness. All right. I'm gonna take it out right there. Yeah,
Okay, balance.
Yes, you did.
2 cents on that. So down 20 bucks on that trade. So it actually didn't want to open up. But good. We got some good move there. Gap and go. It actually didn't hit our, didn't do what we wanted it to do. Now we have a beautiful gap right here that we can go into, 37 by 34.
Yes, you did.
There's a little gap right there at 40, but I think we can hit 37 with some size. 37 to 34. I think that would be a beautiful gap. Right under 40. 37 to 34. Come on, break 39. This is going to give a great bounce.
Yes, you did.
38. 39. 38, 37. Not quite. 37. 37 insights. Come on. Come on, 37 by 30. Oh, I'm just going to hold 38. May hold 38, but I'm looking for it to jump into this gap at 37, stop 34. Just a little bit more. I mean, they're buyers. Buyers are still here.
UST now. FRMI.
Here we go. Coming down. 37. Let me do 37, 36. VWAP is 33.
UST now.
I don't think it'll come that far. 36. Oh, 36 by 37. Okay. Basically 37. All right. Don't like that it got. That's good though. I think that's fine. I think that's fine. 2,000 shares right on this gap. Hopefully we see a bounce. Stop is going to be
UST.
not really liking this. Not really seeing the bounce I want to see. 36 is a lot of buyers though. We're having a lot of buyers at 36. Nice, 38. Come on, give me 40. Need to see a bounce here.
T1.
Not seeing the bounce I want to see, so reducing risk. Yeah. Reducing risk there. 34 could have bounced. Yeah, I'm gonna get out here. Ah, back to the lows. Back to where I started. It could still work though. It could still hold this. Getting now 34. It still work. Yeah, tricky area there. New 5 minute.
ST line.
Ah, shook me out, huh? You shook me out.
WULN. CONL.
JZXN.
Hmm.
AST line.
That's the move I wanted to see. 40. All right. All right. Well, it did respect 34. I got out.
JZXN.
Sadly, I got out. Okay. All right.
ST next. AST line. NMRN. BEPG.
All right. This thing may hold again. This thing may hold again, although higher red volume here. Nice. We're looking for another move here. So
JZXN.
38. Is it 38? Yes, 38. So nice bounce here. Don't want to push it. I want to see this go. Give another move.
JZXN.
I want to force the trade, but this is looking good. Another trade right here at 34. That was nice. Oh, 38 by 39. No gap yet. I'm staying patient. Oh, sadly, I kind of butchered this area, my gap. I think, yeah. As I was unwinding at 30, at 37, it drops. I'm winding flat and it drops to 3 cents. Oh well. ASTI. Oh, okay. Here we go. Nice push there. Needs to hold 140 now. I'll take 41. 43. Basically in 42. 40, whatever. So looking for this to hold 40. Could it be good enough here? Taking a gap and go. No. Not holding. Gonna take it out flat there, 41. So losing just a little bit. So still pretty weak. 5 minute looks excellent though. That was worth the shot. Okay, let's see.
End parted.
See if we can wait for a better setup.
CORT. ASTX. ICHR. WULF. ABTS may resume in less than a minute.
JZXN.
JZXN could still be one that's you could keep on watch on their VWAP.
End parted.
ASTI. Barely any volume.
JZXN.
All right, JCXN. I already have how many trades? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, 11. I'm at 11 trades already.
JZXN.
All right, I need to slow down. I'm trading a lot. All right, here we go. Off a nice gap, right under VWAP. This thing needs to hold 34. Needs to hold 34 here.
AMT.
JZXN.
All right, I'll take it 36. Needs to hold 34 for me. Please hold, brother. $37 by 38. Good, 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 good. Just a little higher. Gosh. Okay, good bounce there. Didn't really like the bounce. Might get out here, 36. Winding some out there. Ah. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. Whatever. Didn't hold, unwinded some. Yeah, I've been having a lot of losing trades.
Touchy.
Not quite ready yet, huh? All the gap and goes that I've taken on this have not worked whatsoever. Maybe I should take a fair value gap.
That's you.
That might have been it for the stock. It's all right. I know, because I know if I catch it, it's going to be beautiful. If I catch that spike, we're seeing 50 right away. So that's going to be amazing. So maybe found some support right down here. 18.
That's you loaded.
Yeah. Okay, looks like
JZXN.
we held this gap even though it seemed like it might break, but good thing it held the gap. We could do a gap and go here again, 228. Let's see. I think it's coming with more intensity, this one. So we're going to do a gap and go here, 28. The low that is 32. If I can get it a little lower, that would be nice. If not, we're gonna look for a dip right at that gap, 32 to 28. Dang it. That was quick. That was quick. All right, now we have 35 here. That's the move that I'm more inclined.
JZXN.
35 is going to be the low of that gap. What dip can you give me? Can you give me any sort of dip here? 43, 42, 35 is that low.
JZXN.
Looks like we're forming a good 1 minute here. So let's form that 1 minute, jump into this 1 minute. That's going to be absolutely beautiful. Come on. Jump into that 1 minute, 41 by 35.
JZXN.
Come on, jump in there.
CIFR. CONL. FRMI.
All right, 42, fine. Got in at 42. Gonna start unwinding over 50, I think. Let's see.
GRRR.
Gotta be prepared because this could come down to 35 a little more. So we're gonna unload it. Oh, retesting my entry.
CONL.
Shoot. Don't reject. 35. Back to 40. That sucks. If this fails, that would really suck because it was looking really good. $35, 40 again. The volatility on this is a little crazy, huh? I'm a little high. I'm gonna start unwinding a little bit here. If it actually wants to break, that would be crazy. Okay, unwinding.
JZXN.
because the red volume, it's bigger. Good. So I held through my gap, through my setup. Did not sell, did not panic. Gotta learn my lesson, you know. Gotta learn my lesson. It's happened a lot prior. Now we'll see. 44. So it quickly went down. 42. Looks like we're coming down a little bit.
SMU.
Are you gonna bounce again? This time, I don't know if it'll bounce.
CIFU.
Yeah, I'll take it out 36. Yeah, I don't know if it was actually a winner or a loser, but there's going to be a 5-minute gap pretty soon forming. Actually, no. There's going to be another gap here that I could probably take. 32 by 28. Maybe there's a dip right there at 20 into that gap, 32 by 28. Dip right at VWAP. Gap reclaim. See how well this gap is going to hold here. Gap reclaim. Good volume. Nice. Okay. Sheesh. 42. Gap and go at 42. Can we do it? Wow. Okay, volatility. Let's put that line one more time. 32 by 28. And then possibly even lower, like 23 by 18. If it wants to really reject. But I'm hoping there's just a nice little dip under VWAP. Doesn't want to fail, but it is bouncing on dips. So I'll do 32 by 28 right under VWAP. Stop 28. Ah, dang it. It was so quick. All right, here we go. One more time. Come on. Did it? I don't think it hit 32, did it? I saw 31 in the bid, but I don't think that even there weren't any orders going at 31.
PIFU.
Hmm.
BULL.
Okay, that's a new 5 minute there. So we're gonna see this 5 minute gap. There you go.
UNVs.
Hopefully you don't fail. 31. Oh, okay, that was 31 now. Back down again.
SUNU.
Yes, you know.
Let's see. It's not going yet, so it looks like it wants to keep coming down a little more.
SUNU. FRMR.
There we go. 31 again.
Yes, you know.
I need to see this right away. Right away. Oh, out flat. I didn't see it right away. 28.
UBIS.
Hmm.
CIFU.
So that's going to be inside this gap.
Yes, you know.
Yeah, it didn't bounce as well as it bounced before. So I do think it could hold.
ALC.
It's a risky bounce, right? Because right under VWAP, I'm risking a flush. So I wanted to see it right away, but it looks like it was a little slower. So it's hovering inside this gap. I may take it. Really small red volume, green volume. Hmm. Not the same as this here, right? Not the same as this. This looked better, it seems like. This seems like there are a lot of sellers. They're trying to push it down, but it is holding. So the sellers are looking for a flush. Dang it. All right. Small green volume. Not a fan of that. We'll be patient here. Wow, small green volume and still pushing. How? Okay. Yeah. I mean, it's
JZXN.
How is, okay, good. Now we got some volume there. How is this, how, dude? I'm just so confused. So it's just a weird stock, this one, huh? Not your conventional plays.
F on demand.
So when it goes, it seems like. So 33 is that low?
JZXN.
Hmm. Holding. 39. Wow.
JZXN.
My timing, look, my timing on the moves.
F on demand.
We got a nice gap there now. Okay, cool. So that this might be the actual spot that is going to do it in.
CIFR.
43. Dip below 39 would be nice.
AMSC.
I want to see a dip below 39. You know you can do it. You've done it before. Dip below 39.
JHU Baltic.
It's done it before. Right under 40. Oh, massive selling there. Big red candle.
CIFR.
That just tells me I cannot trust the candle volumes. So I'm just going to trust the price action. So price action's telling me he's going to hold 39. There might be orders coming in here. If not, if it hits 50, then it's just going to go through. So we're going to look at 50 in an area possible. Oh, here we go. Possible squeeze. Otherwise, we're going to look for a dip under 40. Stop at 33.
CONL. CIFR.
Come on, man. Just do it. Just do it.
CIFU. CIFR.
So
CIFU.
50 might be, yep. 50 might be the spot. So here we go. If it prints 50, it might be the spot here. For a gap and go, this is the kind of the aggressive version of the gap and go. Ooh, 39 now. Rejected that level. Okay, we may come back around now. Let's see, 39. Being patient with my entry because this area it's pretty choppy, right?
CIFU.
this area between 41 and 49, very choppy. So I either want to get a good price right under 40 to get the buyers in, or right above at 50 so we can get the algos to push this through. So forming a beautiful 1 minute fair value gap. What's it going to be? 50?
JHE may receive in less than a minute.
All right, here we go. 50. There it is.
ETHT.
52.
JZXN.
Yeah, let's do it.
PHIO. CIFR.
55. Oh, I need to see it now. I'm pretty high up here. Taking it off. Ah, dang it. Dip, dip,
JZXN.
dip.
JHE may rise in 10 seconds.
Oh, come on. 54. Okay, 55. Get in at 54. $55. Yeah, this thing sucks. So holding here. See if 50 wants to hold. Giving it some time. Nice. 60. Come on, bro. Push. Push. I'll go squeeze. Come on, I'll go squeeze. Stop is 50. Come on, push. 70. Nice. Nice. 68 exit. I saw 70s. I pressed it. Good.
JHE halted.
Nice. Finally a good trade on this. Out 68. That was tough, bro. That was a really hard one to freaking manage. Looking for my dip. If it would have given a dip, oh, that would have been so beautiful. Eventually, my setup, my understanding worked, right? So 50 algos, it's like obvious. Here you have such huge wall right here. If they're gonna get squeezed, they're gonna squeeze at 50, and the algos are gonna start a trigger here, 50. Anyway, it's going all the way up there to 70. What do I want to do here? Dip? Is it gonna keep going? Dip 59.
CIFR.
JZXN.
Dip 59. Let's see. 54. Small size. We kind of just made a new high, so
CIFR.
I'll take that. 61. Super tight stop. Yeah, super tight stop. Okay. So gap and go, super tight stop, small size. No problem. Everything is good. Everything is good. I'm looking for this. If it's got some strength, oh, it's gonna go.
CIFR.
So this I was watching it from here, right? And I'm thinking red volume is bigger, green volume is not even going anywhere. This might fail. We may see a dip down here. But that's the stock market for you. You know, you're never really going to be 100% accurate all the time. Well, you got to manage, you got to adjust your expectations, right? Which I did well right towards the end of this, so I wasn't going to get a dip at all. So plan was right over 50. That turns out it worked well. To get, how many trades did I get? Got in 54, out 53. It chopped around, got in 53 again. Actually, 50. No, well, yeah, sort of 54, 53, yeah, around there. Anyway, up 135 today. Good. We kind of got back what we lost on this. We'll see what it wants to do. Stay patient. All right, we got BRLS moving. 63. I mean, what are we taking here? Do we risking 10 cents on this? Volume is pretty low. I don't know. All right, we're going to call it here. We're going to be up 136. Low accuracy today, but my winners have been much bigger than my losers. Able to keep my losers pretty tight, even though most of my trades were losers. Look at that. So this is the beauty of the new strategy, you know. Low accuracy, a lot of losers, but the winners are always going to be bigger. Awesome day. So the one that gave me the most trouble was JZXN. Yeah. PHIO also gave me some trouble towards the end. We tried to do a 1 minute gap here. Notice that it was going to come lower. Actually, I should have held this, I think, because it went higher. Then beautiful trade, well managed, well executed this one. I'm super happy, proud of my execution here. So thank you. Let's see it. All right. So we got a nice entry right on this gap. Nice gap right there. In immediate resolution out right at 38. Some at 38 as well. It actually breaks, goes, then forms a new gap. In at the gap at 38 again and out right there. 43, 44, 42, 40 on the rest. Beautiful execution there. So from one gap to another gap, that's what we like to see. Up 100 bucks on that. So took some size there. Let's see. Now we have another good trade here, a gap and go. It worked right at 40, held 40, and then did it fell for? Yeah, it held 40 and then out 44. Actually went a little higher to 48. So it took that gap and go for 3 cents, basically risking 1 cent. So 3 to 1 on that one. Then I took a couple losses there. Okay, so then I took another gap and go here, failed. Lost a little bit there. Took another one here, which yeah, took a lot of size here. I took 2,000 shares on that one. Right at the top of the gap. I knew it wasn't looking good. I was unwinding this position and it immediately drops to 34 and I'm thinking, okay, nope. I'm getting out at the bottom and eventually spikes back up again. So that's just part of the game, right? So I'm trying to unwind. I don't like it. And then immediately you get hit with the flush and I'm thinking, okay, I got to get out of here. So it's just kind of like a natural reaction. And I also got to keep in mind, right? I can't really panic out. If I'm going to get out, I got to get out composed, right? I got to exit in a composed manner. I got to get my entry in a composed manner. I got to take my profit in a composed manner. Top of this was 34, so I should have stayed composed and wait for the break of 34. See how 34 holds because it held really well. and then it bounced. So that's just a minor thing right there. That this could have been like a flat trade at the very least, you know. Oops. Okay, PHIO. All right. Sorry. There we go. Then try to go for a gap and go here, and and basically failed. So eventually, most of our trades were winners, some losers here. Sadly, we gave back what we made here, so 40, 50. I gave most of it back, honestly. All right, so ATXG, what was this? Dip into the gap. Oh, the very first trade of the day. So market opens, dip into the gap, high fill, rushed it a little bit. It went lower, went higher, and I just got out because I know I didn't like the price action on this. ABP, what did we do here? So what did we do? So yeah, gap and go, 277, out 83, 81. With a stop right at 75, so 2 cents. So basically, yeah, 2 to 1 on this, and the rest flat. The rest of it was flat. Okay, JZXN, that's the one that I've struggled the most. So I butchered this gap and go, right? So fine, you got 48, stop is 38. I didn't want to risk the 10 cents. This thing is coming lower. Fine, okay. Do it again. Then I get in 46, dude. 46. Okay, I guess 2 cents lower. Stop out 39 when my stop is 38. Oh man, I just right away, right there, down 60 bucks, right? Down 10 cents on the stock. Then try to do a gap and go here. That's okay. So you can see that I got nervous here. I remember this trade and I got nervous. I knew this thing was going to go, but I was not able to connect well, adjust to the price action, to price movement in this area. And it comes down to just me holding to my stop. 46. Okay, you got 46. I wanted to get 44. Fine, you got 46 because it's choppy. You got a high fill, whatever. Well, higher, not a high fill, but higher than what I had intended. Hold it. That's it. That's all you got to do. 38 is your stop. 38, 37, boom, risk to 10 cents, whatever. And this thing goes all the way up to 80. The resolution on this was great. Whatever. Anyway, so with that in mind, gap and go also not great. Gap and go also not great. So that's a few gap and goes in a row. Not working too well here. Better management here. So I got some of it out, break even, and the rest at 32. As I noticed that it's not going to work. Good management there. So this is a 1 minute gap. I think it hit 41, bounced, and it went lower, and I held out 39 out of 40. So this one was good because I respected what I had to do. My stop was 35, although I got 42 high, a high fill. This was actually a high fill, I think. I wanted to get it at 40, 41, but got a high fill 42, but I still got to respect my setup. So my stop would be 35 my stop. So now held through it, held 35, bounced out 49 on the double top, 46 as it was not retesting, and then the rest flat basically, or yeah, sort of flat. Anyway, it keeps coming down. There's another little gap right here. They didn't trust it. The volume was not quite obvious for me, you know. Low volume, I'm thinking this thing is just gonna keep coming down. There was another gap lower. I'm thinking, oh, it might come down lower. We'll see. It actually goes, and that was the low of the move. So it goes here. Did I try it? Oh yeah, I tried it. I even tried it. I tried it, and I wanted a fast resolution on this. I wanted to dip into this 32.28 gap, 232 to 228, and bounce. Didn't do it right away. So maybe, I don't know. I think this was fine for me to leave it alone. Anyway, gap and go again. Okay, so here was this thing that I was talking about a lot. So if you watch this zone, you'll understand what I'm. This is just repeating myself again, but basically we have a gap right here. There's either buyers are really sweet buyers right here, ready to get in because of the bottoming wick. So price goes in here, it's immediately going to get bought up. It's like the probability is high. It's not guaranteed, but the probability is pretty high. So I would have been in there right here, this gap from 39 to 33 to 39, 6 cent gap. I would have loved to see in right there, maybe 36, 35, then see this great move. So as it was chopping around, I'm thinking it's either going to come into this gap or we're going to buy it right at 50. Algos are going to get, our algos are going to trigger at 50 because we came up here once again. So it has to happen. It has to happen, right? Either one, it has to happen. We've been trending. We're stair stepping up. So you also got to adjust for a false breakout, which is sort of kind of happened here. Well, this hit 50, didn't go above 50, but my intention was get above 50, hold above 50, and go. And that ensures me that I don't get a false breakout, right? So tried it right there. Yeah, tried it right here. In at 53, out 54. It's not happening right away, but it's still holding above 50. So in again, 54. Did I wait for the dip or did it just I don't know if I waited for the dip to reclaim 50 or I bought it, went down, reclaim. Either way, I know this area was the right spot. In at 53, goes all the way up to 59. I'm thinking, okay, should I get out? It doesn't want to break 60, but I'm glad I reconsidered that thought and waited for the algo push. Algo squeeze immediately to 70s and I get out 68. I saw 70s on the ask. Get out 68. Beautiful there. So that was an $80 trade. So that puts me at a smaller loss. And I just took a little more. Yeah, I took a little trade here. So a little gap and go. See if it's going to hold. Just small size, just to test the waters. Because I really wanted to take that trade. Small size. Anyway, so that's kind of the review for today. Up 136. Good day. My winners bigger than my losers. Average winners. Holding my winners for longer. 5 cents on my winners today. Okay, cool. So come over to Mr. Prop. Actually, let's check on my calendar. So better consistency when it comes to this my new framework, my new style. I don't hyper scalp anymore. I do scalp. I'm holding for like under a minute, 2 minutes. If we look at sure, let's look at year to date. So reports, yeah, I'm holding more. So I'm scalping more than hyper scalping, right? When I was hyper scalping, my trades were basically under 15 seconds. Most of the money that I made was under 15 seconds. If you've been following around, you'll understand that. Anyway, so calendar here. Okay, so let's see. So yeah, very sweet day, more consistency. Started my new strategy on the 9th and got a good run. I try to adjust my strategy, add a few more things, and no, that was too premature. So got back on track. I gave it like 4 days, got back on track, and boom, we're starting to see the fruits of this new framework, this new strategy. So another red day here. So my goal is to keep the red days tight, which I try to do here. This day I got caught in a bad flush. So I did the best I could. Anyway, so up 500 on the month. I think we like the way we trade. It's a lot less trades than I used to do before. So if we look at last year, this is basically all last year. So I took many more trades, right? 58, 50, and you can see the inconsistency that I had here. Many more red days, right? Many more red days. And like in the first, yeah, I mean, yeah, this is not a bad month actually. This is a good month. But look at this, just like 1, 2, 3, just 3 red dates already in the first 2 weeks. But many more trades, 34, 65 trades. My goodness. Okay, anyway, so we'll go to year to date and we'll go to 2026. So we are up $1,500, $98 in commissions, not bad. Good. So dates and time. So yeah, I basically lose under 15 seconds. I cut it. This just tells me that I'm cutting my losers quick, which is good, right? And most of the money is made up here. That's just good to see. Okay, anyway, let's see. Thursdays yeah, that one Thursday where I lost a lot. Anyway, so that's it for the review. Come over to Mr. Profit, create your account. This is a trading analysis tool that I built. Mr. Profit is a trading analytics dashboard, right? If you're a stock trader, options trader, you can use this platform to view your stats. If you like what you see, come over, check out all our features, which is the charts, the day performance page, some journaling, which sits right above the your stats. So it's like really sweet to see all those data points like come together. You kind of review what you see, review your stats right there, and all your trades, different trading accounts. That's a cool feature, right? If you have like if you trade from different brokers, you can add them in here. So you draw down price, daytime, win versus losers. I mean, it's just a bunch of stuff. I'm releasing a new feature, which is tags. A lot of people asking me for tags. When can we tag our trading? Because that's another way in which you can kind of view your stats based on the tags that you take. Anyway, so that's really cool. So come over to Mr. Profit, create your account. If you really want to give it a try for free, so come over, select your broker, add a file, use free analysis tool. Click this, awesome. So click that and then click analyze, and then it'll analyze your trade, right? It'll be the same thing I look at every day, except for the charts. So if you want charts, just create your account. Anyway, come over, check out our features. Check out our features, and yeah, $5 a month, 50 a year, comfortable pricing. I think if you're a beginner trader, this will be really cool for you. If you're a more advanced trader, this is really cool because you already know your strategy, you already know what you want to do. You just want a really cool platform, easy to use, that is going to show you a calendar, a beautiful calendar, just a nice interface to use at a comfortable price, right? Anyway, so what else? Yeah, so hit me up on Discord if you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, join the community. If you have any questions, let me know. But tomorrow, again. All right, so catch you tomorrow with more trading. Bye bye.